Where this matters most for hotels is during construction and PIP cycles. Green zip tape allows partitions to be installed earlier during construction with less risk, and during remodels, it enables quiet deconstruction instead of demolition. That often shortens renovation schedules significantly and allows work to occur around occupied rooms, reducing downtime and lost keys. Traditional drywall assumes interior walls are permanent, even though hotels regularly move them. Demolition creates noise restrictions, landfill waste, and extended renovation timelines. Drywall disposal also introduces environmental and regulatory pressure, as gypsum waste in landfills produces hazardous gases. Hotels need a faster, cleaner way to adapt layouts without repeating the same demolition cycle every few years. Reusable interior wall systems change that equation. Walls can be removed intact, stored, and reused, reducing landfill costs, transportation, and labor. Renovations become quieter, cleaner, and more predictable. For owners, this supports sustainability goals while also reducing future renovation friction, especially in markets with increasing environmental and construction restrictions. Because green zip tape makes interior non-load-bearing walls movable, they can qualify for accelerated depreciation through cost segregation. Instead of being treated as 39-year property, interior walls and related components may be classified as 5-year property. This pulls depreciation forward, improves early-year cash flow, and enhances after-tax returns without changing hotel operations.